Giraffes are the tallest land animals, with males reaching up to 5.5 meters. Their height helps them munch on leaves from trees other animals can't reach. To pump blood all the way up to their brain, giraffes have a heart that weighs around 11 kilos and beats up to 170 times per minute. Baby giraffes are already about 1.8 meters tall when born. They can stand and walk within an hour of entering the world. Female giraffes form close-knit groups, often bonding with other moms to help raise their young. Like a tall and elegant support mom squad on the savannah. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.